Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
You may now take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, today we will going to discuss another topic. But first, I want you to close your eyes. Everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now open. Open your eyes and look at the screen. Now what did you see in the screen? Okay, Aga. You see bar. Bar. How about the other one? Diba? There are two pictures. First is the bar. And the next one, what is this? Yes. Definitely. Now today, we will going to discuss bar model, specifically the modeling simple equation using bar model. Modeling simple equation using bar model. But before that, I want to present to you my objective. Okay, I have here my learning objectives. Now, everybody read.
Objectives. Define bar model. Estimate active participation through activities. Appreciate simple equation using bar model writing a poem.
Okay. I am hoping that these three objectives, we will meet this after the discussion. Okay, now are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Alright. Now since you are ready, now I want you, I will group you into 5 groups. Now pick one. Pick one. Pick one. Do not open yet. Wait for the instruction. One, I said one only. Make it faster. Do not open yet. Okay. Now everybody got the candy? Okay. Now, listen. Do not eat yet. For the grouping, who get the fresh color green? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you will group as one. So dito kayo, umupo. Dito kayo. Stand up, color green. Press, color green. Stand up. Dito kayo, ha? Dito kayo. How about press, color red? Diyan kayo po, ha? Dito kayo. Gagawa ng circle. Oh, how about color press color blue? Oh, at the center. Dito kayo magpo-form ng circle. And for the icon, diyan kayo. Oh, diyan kayo mag-form ng circle. And the last is B-press. B-press. Oh, dito kayo. Hurry up. Make a circle. B-press. Icon mo nila. Sinabi ko bang mag-ingay? Make a circle. Ano na lahat sa dulo? Sino ba wala? Saan? Bale. Popoin niyo si Bale. Adjust. Adjust. Yan ka na lang. So, everybody, quiet. Okay, ganito. Each group will answer the problem. We answer the problem. I have here the answer. Dito nyo ilalagay yung answer nyo sa kanilang paper. Okay, you only have 5 minutes to do the activity. By the way, I have here the rubrics for your guide to do the task. Bakit maingay yan? First, we have here the time limit. If you finish the activity within 5 minutes, you will be given 5 points. But if it's not, then I will give you 4 points. And for the content, if your answer is correct, then of course you will be given 5 points. And the presentation, we also have 5 points. And for the cooperation, so dapat lahat gumagawa, hindi yung leader lang yung gagawa. Intindihan? Intindihan? Okay, now start answering. Dapat within 5 minutes, tapos na yan. I have here the plastic tape. If you are done, you will paste it here on the board. Dapat lahat nag-cooperate. Hindi lang yung leader ang gumagawa. Remember, we have the criteria. Yes? Ano yun? If you are done, you can paste it on the board.
Pagdali mo!
Doon, doon sa kabila.
Pagdali! Pagdali!
Are you done? Lahat ba? Naka-face? Sino yung nauna? Group 3.
Second lang kami, ma'am.
Group 3, no? So, group 3, nakakuha sila ng 5 points for the time limit. Oh, bakit maingay? Bakit maingay? Ingat naman. Hawakan mo, hawakan mo. Okay naman. Ay! Okay na Group 3 got 5 points. O, sino yung ikalawa?
Kami, ma'am.
Group 2. Yes.
Wala ka tuwa.
Next, sino yung pangatlo? Group 1. Group 4, ma'am. Diyan, nasa baba. Okay. Go back to your group. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. X is equal to, okay, hugot the correct answer. Sino yung nakakuha ng correct answer? We have, check, group 3. That is, X is equal to A. Okay? Ito. X na to. X is equal to A. X is equal to A. So, yung apat na buo lang yun. For group 2, they got 10, 13, 17 points. And for the group 3, 20 points. Group 4, they have 17 points. And for the group 5, 16 points. So, ang nanalo ay yung group 3. Okay. Now, how did you find the activity? Group 1. Hello. How did you find the activity? Is it difficult? Exciting? Okay, exciting. Another. Okay, Carl, stand up. Enjoy. How about group 3? Happy. Why you feel happy? Because you're talking with your other group. Okay. How about group 2? Challenging. Why is it challenging? Because you cannot find the answer. That's why it's challenging. How about group 5? Normal. Alright. Now, for the next question, we have what challenges you face while doing the activity? Okay, group 4. Oh, listen. They are helping. So you said there is no challenges you face because all of you participated. Okay, how about the other group? Okay, group 2. Dimitilio. What challenges you face while doing the activity? Ano yung challenges? Meron ba o wala? Meron? Everybody listen. Ha? Meron? Wala? May challenges ba? May mga problems ba kayo nag-encounter while doing the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha? Meron. O ano yun? Pag-solve. Okay? Pag-solve. So, yun yung challenges nyo sa group 2. Wala na? Meron pa. Okay, group 5. Okay. So, since all of you have the challenges now, further discussion, we will make it clear, no? That, yeah. Okay, next. Okay, what is bar model? A bar model, a tool that helps us visualize the given math problem. Quiet. Given math problem using rectangles or bars. For example, use the bar model to solve the given algebraic equation. We have here 2x plus 6 is equal to 10. So first, we are going to draw a bar model, just like what you have. What you've done. You draw the bar model first. X, X. And then, next, you are going to divide 10 into 3 parts. One part is 6. Next.
Dito ka sa kantin.
6 from 10. We have 10 minus 6, so that is 4. So therefore, the value of X here is 2. Oh, now, did you understand? Yes. Really? Yes. Okay. Now, since you've already understood the topic, now I want you arrange yourselves. Go back to your proper seat. Down. Now I want you, since you already understood the topic, now I want you to give your insight about the topic, which is the modeling simple equation using bar model. You will write it here. Quiet, ha? I didn't want to hear any voices. Get one. Give it to me. Make it faster. For the first question, we are for the first or for the front page. So the front page, you are going to give your insight about the topic, which is the modeling simple equation using bar model. And then at the back portion of your paper, I want you to make one paragraph poem consisting 4 stanza about your insight. Dapat gumawa muna kayo ng insight para makagawa kayo ng poem. Sina, hurry up, hurry up. I will only give you 2 minutes to do the task. Insight or your reflection. Saan mo na? Your reflection. Bakit naglakad-lakad ka? Okay, done? Done? You only have 1 minute? 1 minute left. Okay. You only have 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass your paper forward. Finish or unfinish? Pass your paper. Hurry up. Hurry up. Pass your paper. Finish or not finish? Now I will choose 2 students to share their insights, of course, their poem. Sino yung maingay? Siya yung mag-share dito sa harap. Ha? Okay. I want you to share your insight and your poem. Aga. Aga. Come here in front and read your insight. Louder your voice.
My insight about modeling simple equation using bar model is that if you're dividing up time for daily tasks like work, exercise, and relaxing, and bar model can represent the total hours and allow for portion for each activity. Okay.
Let's give her a Jollibee clap. Do you know what is Jollibee clap? Okay, ganito. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Janida ang saya. Okay, nakuha niyo? Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2,
of numbers we hold near and clear. A simple equation comes to life, like splitting shares or cutting pie with a knife.
Okay, let's give her a Dunisha clap. Hindi nyo alam yung Dunisha clap? Friends, ganito. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tahimik, tahimik. Okay. Since okay, I want you to answer the following questions. You will write it here at the paper. Get one fast. Faster. Dapat within 2 minutes. 2 minutes dapat. Tapos na, ha? 2 minutes. 10 items only. All you have to do is you are going to write the letter of the correct answer. No need to solve. Just make it faster. Okay, done? Quiet. Twenty minutes left. Minutes, I mean 20 seconds. 20 seconds rather. Tapos na? Oh, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exchange your paper to your seatmate. Exchange your paper to your seatmate. Okay, number 1, we have B, 2B, 3B, 4B, B lahat. Perfect. Quiet. O, sino yung nakakuha ng 10? How about 9? 9. 8. 7. 6. 5 and below. Alright. Pass your paper. Pass your paper forward. Ma'am. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye, class.